To deal with your dry skin, you can use several steps in this product series for maximum results. First, you can use Aquatide Multipurpose Toner Mist after washing your face to instantly relieve thirsty and dry skin. Next step is use Aquatide Resurface Serum as anti-aging for the skin, or Multivitamin Daily Care Serum to brighten and revitalize tired skin. Next, maximize your skincare with Aquatide Soothing and Lifting Mask to invigorate the skin's natural energy. Next, to fade fine lines and wrinkles, use Multi-Lifting Cream with Hexapeptide 2 and Vitamin B7 effective to stimulate collagen production. In order to receive comprehensive care, use Lift Derm Hand Cream to smooth the damaged hand skin.